Today we are going to do the topic RA ending verbs in Italian. So basically the verbs that have RA or ARE at the end, they are known as RA ending verbs. Let us look at the examples of such verbs. First is parlare. Parlare. Parlare means to speak. To speak. So as you are well aware of the concept of conjugation, that the verb parlare will keep on changing according to the pronouns that are used with it. For example, with io, what is the meaning of io? I. With io, this changes to parlo, and with tu, it changes to parli. As you see, the verb parlare is changing its forms. So this process is known as conjugation. So let us learn how do RA ending verbs change according to different pronouns. So these are the, I'm going to write the rule of RA ending verbs. Basically, first I'll write the endings that are used with different pronouns, and then we are going to see the example of one RA ending verb, parlare. Then we'll form some sentences using them. With io we use O ending. With tu or tu, we use I ending. It will always give E sound. With lui or lei, we use A. For those of you who do not know the meanings of these pronouns, let me mention in the brackets. Io means I, tu means you, lui means he, and lei means she. Then for noi, which means we use which ending? Iamo. I-A-M-O, iamo. I hope I am not standing right in front of the board to obstruct the view. Then voi means you all. With this we use ate ending. Ate. This was O sound, this was E sound, this was A sound. For this we have iamo, and with voi we have ate. With loro, which means they, we use anno sound. I hope this is clear. Now let us see how we use this rule. Parlare, which means to speak. We have already discussed this verb. So let us see how this verb is going to change with these pronouns. We are going to use this rule or these endings. Let us quickly do it. The first step to conjugate a verb is you remove the ending. This RA part has to be removed first. So whatever is left is known as a stem. Now with io, we will first remove the ending, then we'll copy the stem with different pronouns. Io parl. With tu also we'll copy the same thing. With lui lei also we are going to copy the same thing. Noi, voi, loro. Same stem is to be copied. Now we have to just copy the endings. With eo, what was the ending? O. So here we are going to write O. With tu, it was I or E. We are going to place I over here. Lui, lei, a, noi, iamo, voi, ate, loro, hanno. Now let us see what are the meanings of these words now. Parlare meant to speak. An extra word to was added over there. Why? Because parlare is in the infinitive form. Now with io, parlare has changed to parlo. Io parlo. And what is the meaning of this? Io means I. So parlo means speak. I speak. Here we are not going to write I to speak. It is I speak. Io parlo. With tu we are going to write parli, which means you speak. This is io parlo, I speak, tu parli, you speak, lui lei parla means he or she speaks. With noi it is noi parliamo, we speak. With voi it is voi parlate, you all speak. Then loro parlano means they speak. I hope I am clear. Now after this, after the conjugation, all the other RA ending verbs are also conjugated in the same manner. Let me give other examples. Other examples of RA ending verbs are abitare. Abitare means to live, like where do you live, that sense. Then amare, amare means to like or to love. Cantare, cantare means to sing. All these verbs will be used in the same manner as we did with parlare. For example, if you want to do the conjugation, say, of cantare, I sing, you sing, he sings, and so on. So you just write cantare here first, remove the ending, whatever is left, just copy that with the pronoun and add the endings. With io, the ending was o, so io canto, which means I sing. Then if you want to say you sing, how will you say it? With tu, just copy the stem and add the ending. Tu canti, you sing. And with if you want to say he sings or she sings, how are you going to do it? Lui or lei, just copy the stem, add the ending a. So it becomes lui lei canta, he or she sings. Now let us go through some sentences so that we can practice these verbs. Now the sentences, you have to just tell me the form of the verb. I'll give you the verb. Alright, these are the two sentences that we are going to practice. And in first, you are going to use the verb giocare. Giocare means to play. And in second, you will use amare. Amare means to